Hello guys, welcome to Exness training part 2. Today we are going to create our personal trading account and also going to give you the idea which is the best account type which I need badly to become a successful forex trader, because account type is the most important thing if you want to become a profitable trader. So today's video is very informative. Let's create our personal area trading account. So guys, first of all, we have to log in our Exness account which we create in last video, and with the ID and password we need to create a login in our account. And as you see, we have already account of the Exness automatically created for us. It's a automated account created by Exness because we create a personal area in last video. So while you create your personal area, Exness automatically create a trading account for you, but we need to create our personalized thing. So let us create an account. So first of all, click on open additional account, and second, there is you see the 6 new account type. As you see, 6 new account type. One is for standard account or beginner account type, and second is professional account type. So Exness offer 3 for beginners and 3 account types for professional traders as well. First of all, Exness offer a standard account which allow traders to minimum deposit $100 and minimum spread it's 0.20 cents and leverage is 1. Maximum, I mean to say, you can get the unlimited leverage and there's no commission as well. And to be very honest, it's my favorite in my beginners. But Exness also allow you to open standard plus account as well, which is also required minimum $100 deposit, but spread is little bit high, 0.80 pips. Leverage is also unlimited and there is no commission as well. So what is the difference between standard account and standard plus? Please listen carefully. The difference between standard and standard plus is value added services, which is offer you can trade slippage free trading in your trading account as well. And last thing in beginner is standard cent account, which is also required 100 USD deposit with 0.30 pips spread and with unlimited leverage, and they can also no charge of any commission. But cent account for those who is a very beginner and who wanna try Exness services for bigger account in future. They want to invest more than 10,000 or $1 lakh in future, so they can test their strategies in a small capital first, and after they can upgrade their account as well. And these are the 3 type of for beginners, and I strongly suggest you, if you are new to account, you must try first the beginner trading accounts, then you move forward. Of course, if you are a beginner, then you must try these 3 type of accounts. And the second option for the professional accounts is the pro account used for the instant market execution and tighter stop loss, and there's no commission with minimum $1,000 deposit and 0.10 pips only the spread, and leverage you can use unlimited. There is no commission, but here is a catch. If you deposit more than 10,000 USD, then they can change your leverage and maybe they can allow you 500 or 1,000 leverage only. It's depend on your specifically deposit amount. The second one in professional account is a raw spread account. They offer you direct market price and fixed commission, and designed for the experienced trader. The raw spread account is for those traders who using AI, who using robot indicators, and specifically high tight spread account types. So minimum deposit required is 1,000 USD. There is a no spread in your account and unlimited leverage according to your deposit amount, and up to 3.50 USD per lot they can charge you commission. And the final is zero spread account for those who wanna test their service, their algos, their robot EAs. They don't need any slippage, or they don't need any spread, because sometimes your strategies not allow you or giving you some loss if broker charge spread. So the highly professional traders choose their zero spread account, and of course they need minimum deposit 1,000 USD, no spread, unlimited leverage, and also very less commission. But the major difference between these account types is also offering CFD pairs as well. Some of the account types allow you the very minimum or low you can say the different pair which you need. For example, one of the package don't have any, in cent account you can't trade in oil, or in cent account you may also not find any crypto pair as well. So it's a very very choosy thing, and whichever package you choose, just choose it and then click on real. And after this, it's a setup for your account. You have to choose your currency which is comfortable for you. You have many options like USDC. Actually, I am going to open with the cent account because I am a very beginner, so I am just giving you the idea how to create a cent account. So here we have option USDC, GBBC, Euro C. So whichever currency you are comfortable trade, you can choose. But my recommendation is to choose USD only. USDC mean USD cent account. So that is our catchy part. Second thing, you have to choose your nickname. So try to use the nickname which is memory for you, which is helping you to find your account as well in personal area. The third thing, you have to choose your leverage. So I recommend you to choose leverage only 1000, or not to what the maximum. So you get idea in future what is margin, what is margin level, what is the equity, what is the balance. So it's very handy for you to calculate everything. And fourth thing is choose platform. I recommend you to always choose MetaTrader 5 because it's a more advanced and more, I think so, comfortable thing for you, because it's a latest version and also allow you to trade with Exness terminal as well. So I am going with MT5. And then the last thing we need to choose is your trading password. Please remember, your personal area is a different thing and your trading area is trading account number. Every trading account you create with a different password. Always choose your password between 8 to 15 character, at least one upper and one lowercase character in your trading password, and also choose one at least number in your trading password and one special character you have to use in your trading password as well. Choose strongest your password and submit. Click on submit, and here we go. We got our first trading account is ready to trade and ready to log in with, ready to attach with MetaTrader 5 as well. You have to go to MetaCode website and download MT5 as well, or just write on Google download MetaTrader 5 free, so you can find the link. And I have already downloaded yet, so I can't going to download, but you can also go to the email from Exness. They are going to give you all the detail your personal account as well. So, and the last thing, if you want to modify anything in between for your account, especially which you create right now, I create account with the name of my first trading account, and there is a button 3 dots you have to click in the front of your account type and the front of your account number, and we have all the option which Exness allow you to modify my specific trading account. Adjust the leverage, you can modify or edit or change your leverage anytime you want. You change your nickname, you can edit your nickname. If you want to your personal information related to your specific account, you can click on and set up your read-only password. In next video, I am also giving you the idea how to set read-only password as well. Manage account statement, you can change your trading password anytime, and also if you have no more, if you don't need this account type or you create this account by mistakenly, you can archive your account as well. So these are the options which you can use to modify your account type. Here I am just to get my account information, so I am just going to click on account information so I can get my trading server. Here's the thing, if you want to log in or attach your trading account with MT5 MetaTrader 5, you must have 3 things. First, you must have your account number, specific account number. So there's a difference between the personal area and the trading account as well. So you must have the trading account number, which we have right now, 253609011. And second thing is my trading password, of course, which is very secret. Only me know what is my trading password. And third and last is a very most important thing is trading server. It's a second last option. Exness MT5 Real 34 is my trading account server right now. So we need to copy all the things, and we must have all the things before attaching with MT5. I already have MT5 login in my computer. So let us click on files and then login trading account. Here we go. We got 3 options right now. account number, password, and server. So just we need to fill this option and click on OK, and here we go. We boom, just got our account login in MT5. So let me do first. Here we go. In the mailbox, I got the email as well, and if I click on trade, they show me the zero balance. We have the different options: exposure, history, news, mailbox calendar, company alert, articles, code base expert, and journal, which I inshallah teach you in coming up our new videos, which I specially train you are specifically related to the MT5 only. So here we go. We just log in our account. In next video, we are going to deposit in account, and in our next video, I show you how Exness will help you to trade, and how Exness will help you to give you the trading idea, especially in getting free signals from Exness. And they are offering many other free things like educations, like fundamental insight, technical or geopolitical information, and many other things. So I hope you successfully attach your trading account within MT5, and I hope so far we clear. And that's it. See you in next video. Thank you.